What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. On today's recess activity, recess Sperbund is now on the set and ready early in the morning. Recess Sperbund shared on Instagram a short video clip of them doing some makeup on break time. As you can see, they look so happy and enjoyed it.
พี่ขอหน้าเหมือนย่าๆนะคะได้ค่ะเดี๋ยวใส่แอปให้
Says Sperbund caption it, early in the morning is ready. Today, on Nadech's activity, Nadech continued his pictorial for the Singapore magazine. Nadech was so handsome today and ready for another set. Nadech dressed up a nice clothes that makes him more handsome and it really fits on him. Many fans commented on the post and excited for it. Nadech was really happy.